Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this photo dump effect. So I just put some photos and some collages and I just colored them all black and white. Then I'm going to go to the effects section. I'm going to type in blur. I'm just going to add that on top like so. You can adjust the blur, do not make it too blurry. Go to body effects and we are going to go to hallucination. Add in the smear, like the luminous smear. Also just going to make these a little bit shorter in length. And for the video transition, you're going to go to overlay and you're going to add in mix to all of them. Apply to all. If you don't have the Pro one, just go to the play pendulum and add that effect. Then you're just going to add in like a person on top and remove the background of it. And that is it, super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.